Hello everyone, in this class we are going to continue functions of list. List.clearoff is a function which will remove all the elements from the list and then it will be empty. For example, if we are having a list called num and then we are giving num.clearoff, in num nothing will be there, it will be empty. List.countOfItem is a method which will give you the frequency of an item. That means if any element is repeated in the list, it will count number of times. If it is not repeated, absolutely it will be 1. For example, if we are having num is equal to these numbers stored in a list, you can notice that 15 is repeated 3 times here. So now I wanted to count. I just give num.count of 15. So how many occurrence of 15 happens? It will count and get back. It is 3 now. List.reverse of. It will completely reverse the list. So if this is the list, I will be giving num.reverse of. The first element will become the last element. Last element will become first. So until that it will be reversed. You can notice that completely it is reversed 15, 40, 20, 80 in reverse order it is. The next method, sort of. This will sort the elements in ascending order. For example, if I have the same list which is shown in the previous slide and then I give num.sortof, it will sort the elements. Remember, this will modify the previous list. The original list will get modified and then the current sorted list is only available there. Original list you will not be able to get back. If we want to sort the items in descending order, we can give the list.sortof as argument reverse is equal to true. So this is an optional one. So I have put it in the square bracket to know that. So now, for example, if we are having the word list here, I give num.sortof reverse is equal to true. Now the biggest value will be in the beginning and the least value at the end. Sorted of list. In the previous one, list get modified into the new list, it is sorted. But if we give sorted of list, the original list will remain as it is, but the elements are sorted and then it is being returned as a new list. For example, if we have the old list which is not sorted and then I give sorted of num, this will return. I will show you when I execute, but the sort will not return. It will just reverse and keep it in the list. Next one, we are having extend. In case if we want to add all the items of the second list to the first list, we shall give like this, list1 dot extend of list2. That means all the values of list2 will be added to list1 and then list1 get modified. For example, I have two lists. One is num, one is ch. If I give num.extend of ch, num get modified into a new list where all the values of num and then all the values are characters are followed there. Now I am creating a list called li which has some integer values, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I see what is li, it will return the list. I'm going to give li dot clear off. So that means it will remove all the elements in it. It becomes empty. Now if I see li, it is empty. Let me create one more list called li underscore 1. Again I am giving some values 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. I have repeated few values here. Now I will show you how the count works. li underscore 1 dot count of value I wanted to count. So if I give 3, how many repetitions of 3 are there? It will count 1, 2 and then 3. 3 repeated 3 times, so it will give 3 as its result. Let me check li underscore 1 dot count of 1. So 1 is repeating 2 times, it will show 2 as the result. Let me give li underscore 1 dot reverse of. So you will be able to see now all the elements reversed. li underscore 1. See, it is not returning, that you need to remember. It will just modify the list and store it in the memory. So when I call it the reversed one, you can see that 3 to 1 has come here and then 6 all other things reversed completely. Now same list I will use to sort the elements. Sort of will sort in ascending order. This is also not returning. It will modify the list. li underscore 1 if I give, it will show the list now. See there 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 5 5 6 6. So most of the elements are repeated here. So as it is repeated, it is sorted. Now if I give li underscore 1 dot sort of reverse equal to true. True is a boolean value, so it will be in descending order. So li underscore 1 is in descending order. Now let me copy the old list and store it again. Sorted of li underscore 1. See now this will be sorting and returning the new list. The old list remains as it is. You could see that new list is being returned, and then if I see li underscore 1, it is not changed, it remains as it is. Similar way, sorted of li underscore 1 comma reverse is equal to true. Now this will sort in descending order. Let me have a list with strings li siu, okay, is equal to, I have here ab, aa, xyz, hello. If I sort this li s dot sort of, this gets sorted according to the ASCII value of the string. If the starting characters are same, then it will compare the next one. So li s is here, aa, ab, hello and then xyz. If I mix both, that means the numeric value as well as the string value in the list, it will not sort out. Before that, let me add all these values to the li underscore 1. So for that we are having extend method, right? li underscore 1 dot extend of lis. So if I see li underscore 1, it is having both the elements. Now let me sort this. li underscore 1 dot sort of. This will be having error here. So purely numerical values can be sorted, otherwise purely strings can be sorted out. So what is the difference between sort and sorted? Sort does not return the list. Sorted returns the list. In sort, the original list is modified and old list never be available. But in sorted, the old list remains as it is. A new list is returned after sorting out. Extend also modifies the list. Hope all these functions are very clear to you. We will continue more about lists in next class. Until then, thank you. Bye.